What I've never told you guys is I'm actually a professional tetherball player. Yeah, I got it. I have to be honest with you guys, my back. All right guys, we came over to this dance box, not because we wanted to dance. No! Come on, Rog! What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Lee Canyon. This place is sick. So it's a ski resort an hour away from Vegas. So I know I titled the video Snowboarding in Vegas. Close enough. How sick is this place? The park is actually fire. Snow is a little firm. You can tell it's been getting hot and freezing, but it should start to soften up throughout the day. Then it's gonna get prime time money. Now I did destroy my back yesterday. Check this clip out. And so I woke up with the stiffest back of all time. I like massage gunned it, I stretched, I took a couple hot showers. I tried my best to get my back 100%. We're literally at probably 70%. It still hurts. So we're sucking up some pain, and then we're gonna take a couple days off after this trip. But now that the day's been laid out for you guys, get ready for a sick day at Lee Canyon. Oh, by the way, the views at this place are insane. Alright guys, we're having a ton of fun in this park. It's still firm. The snow's firm. But other than that, this place is incredible. Views are sick. And we're meeting a ton of you guys, which was a shock. I didn't think I would meet like 17 of you guys here, which I love meeting you guys. But enough talking, let's keep shredding. We're about to go film like 4 how-to videos for you guys because I want to help you guys become better snowboarders. So subscribe. We came over to this dance box, not because we wanted to dance, but I'm gonna make a how to rotate on a box video for you guys. I think that video already posted. You can check it out here. But if you want to do like 360s or 540s or even 720s on a box, check that video out. It's going to help you out a ton. Counter rotate. There you go. And while I'm doing my thing, Rug is going to learn how to board slide, and he just did great for his first one ever. Yeah, buddy. So I just filmed a how to nose press and how to spin on a box video. I always feel so good after I come to the mountain. I film a couple videos because it means I can take a day off, like rest my back. But also like the how-to videos, the small ones that, I mean, they don't get a ton of views, but I know they're gonna help some of you guys get better at snowboarding, which is like the whole point of this channel. I want you guys to be sick at snowboarding. So a lot of you guys don't know, I have a how to snowboard playlist that covers S turning to like how to 180, how to 360, how to board slide. So check out my how to snowboard playlist. But you know what teaching you guys how to snowboard reminds me of? Today's sticker shout out. We got Midlantic snowboards with the red sticker on the green snowboard. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker, supporting the dream. As well as we got Letso 42 with 2 Evolution hoodies. Guys, thank you for snagging merch, supporting the channel. It's how I do this for a living, is also how I travel to new ski resorts. So guys, thank you so much for snagging the merch. If you want an Evolution sticker or any of my hoodies, t-shirts, or long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag the merch, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram for bonus extra content. The stories are super fun. I post where I'm snowboarding each day. So if you're at Lee's Canyon, I'm at Lee's Canyon, you can come take a lap with me, but also just bonus stuff with me and my son and just goofy things. So follow the Instagram for bonus content. These guys have been standing around for a while now. So shout out to Ben and Rug. Let's go start doing some runs. I think I'm gonna film one more, like the secrets to turning your snowboard or the secrets to the S-turn, like a tip for how to snowboard better.
All in mind if you don't listen that much, but some of y'all don't listen at all. The same shit they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. Cause some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call. Realize the movie that I was watching, it's the end of the world. Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watches it all unfurls. They clutching at all they pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track. Back to the long track.
I've never seen something like this on a mountain before. We gotta play a game. What I've never told you guys is I'm actually a professional tetherball player. Yeah, I got this. Here we go. Me versus my brother. He does have the high ground. You can call him Anakin. Yeah, I give up. That was the hardest thing in my life. I also think this sport kind of benefits the short guy. We'll put Rug to the test. He's only 6'6". These are like intense games. No, yes. Come on, Rug. See, Ben, you're not giving up. This is the hardest thing that Ben's ever tried.
That was the,
See, height advantage matters.
that was the,
It doesn't pay to be a shorty. All right, so yeah, if you're in Nevada or you make a trip to Vegas, I highly recommend Lee's Canyon. This place is really cool. The vibe here, and it might be because obviously Vegas is right down the street. The vibe here is so fun, so cool. They got a tetherball. Like, come on. We've had a ton of fun here. And yeah, we're just chilling, making extra videos for you guys. Snow is not really softened up, but still been able to throw some tricks, have some fun. The back, however, is not getting better. So I'm happy. I'm gonna take a couple days off after today. I fly back to Colorado, then I'm driving my family to Texas. They're gonna stay with Grandpa down in Texas. I'm gonna fly back and I'm gonna either go on another trip or I'm gonna stay in Colorado and maybe hit some of the Colorado resorts that I haven't been to, like Aspen or Sunburst, things like that. So I think Sunburst is in Colorado. See, I gotta look at my map. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because we're still gonna probably hit a couple new resorts this season, as well as I need to get that perfect day when I'm feeling really good and I'm gonna start hucking some like huge rotations, like hopefully back 10. If you're wondering why I'm not on the camber snowboard that I swapped over to, was for the thumbnail of this video. I really wanted to take a photo on the strip in all of my gear, but I wanted to have like my classic snowboard with me, not like it's just a black snowboard. Killing me, so I'm fine with ending it here.
okay.
Guys, I have to be honest with you guys. My back and my front knee, my left knee, are dead. They hurt so bad. I really need to like do some body maintenance. I want to keep ripping it here for you guys. This place is sick. I'm having so much fun, but I honestly gotta stop. Like my ibuprofen's wearing off. We got some water, so like that adrenaline kind of weared off, and I remembered like, my back is hurting. So this one's Chipmunk. We'll kill it. All right, we're good. I'm ready for my 5-day break of snowboarding. At least my body's ready. My mind is, and I love snowboarding. So I'm a little sad that I'm leaving because this is the end of the trip for me. I fly back home tomorrow, but Rug, my brother Ben, who filmed, shout out to Ben, they're on their way to Park City. They're gonna keep snowboarding. I'm like, oh man, that sounds so fun. These guys are just a blast to hang out with. Right, guys?
We cannot wait to get rid of it.
It's so funny because I did kind of just hijack their trip. I did add this stop to your trip though, right? This was fun.
It was good. I am the captain now.
Ben's captain now. I captained the ship for a little bit. I wish I was tall enough to reach my roof rack. Now don't worry guys, I did get my pin for Lee's Canyon. I actually got 2 pins, and the lady said they're no longer going to sell these pins, which is awesome. So I got the I Ride Lee's Canyon pin, and then I got the Ride Las Vegas pin. That one's super sick. So if you didn't know, I grab a pin at every ski resort that I go to. I have a goal to ride every ski resort in the United States. There's 464 of them, and I think we're close to almost 70 ski resorts ridden, which is awesome. We're really like chipping away at this goal of riding all these ski resorts. But if you want to get a pin or want to collect pins at the resort you go to, I have an Evolution pin, which is linked in the description. If you do snag that pin, not only does it support the dream, but you can start your pin collection too. But on the note of riding all the ski resorts in the United States, check out my ski resort map. It's a map of the US. It's got all the dots of all the ski resorts. It's just cool to just look at. But all the green dots is where I've ridden. And if you click them, it shows the videos of me riding there. So if I rode your ski resort and you didn't know that, you can then watch that video there. Or if your resort is red, it means I'm coming to your resort. So be ready for me to show up. You can come say hi like all the people did today. It was so sick shredding with you guys. And honestly, I want to come back to this place. That park they built was fire. Like, that was a quality built park. Everything had good transition. The jumps were well. It was just a hard snow day and my back was trashed. Other than that, like, I want redemption on this mountain for the park. But man, this is the diamond in the rough. This is why I enjoy coming to these small ski resorts, coming to these tiny hills. Like, there are so many cool places to ski and snowboard, but you just get blinded by like Vail Resorts, like come to Breckenridge. Like, no, go to Lee's Canyon and then you can go to Vegas and party. No, I'm joking. I am excited to go home though and see my son and my wife and go on a little family trip that has nothing to do with snowboarding. Get to go see grandpa and stuff. That's gonna be so nice. But it doesn't mean the daily videos are stopping. We're the only YouTube channel that posts daily snowboard content. So if you're new, subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. It means a lot to me. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna.
All right, guys. The rug's on. Look, rug's on where he belongs.